Untog.
Nag-bounce.
Ano, lakad na. Stand up ulit. One more. Kok. Ay, may video na daw eh. Stand up.
Ayaw na
Hindi,
niya.
bukakang mo yung paa niya.
Siya, hinahayaan ko siyang mag-balance. Kok. Jesus, yun, ang pogi. Umuuntog ka. Kok. Jesus, nagigigil. Grabe, yung laway naman yan.
Josh. Stand up. Uy.
Wala
Wala na. Pagod na siya. Sleep na daw siya.
Nice.
I know.
Another one? You want to stand up again?
Tsura.
Nagalit.
Dali.
Tsura ng
Sabi
mga.
niyan, capture na lang kayo. Hindi ko maipakita yung ako eh.
Josh. Kaya mo siya.
Umuundog. Yay! Yay! Grabe, tagal na mag-buhay.
No. Don't eat that.
Yay!
Clap your
Close open.
hand.
Close open. Close open.
Close open ka.
Close open.
Don't eat your hands.
Close open. Close open. Close open. Close open. Close open. Ganyan na nakatayo. Close open. Close open. Close open. Close open. Close open. Close open.
Show me your hands. Close open. Close open. Close open. Close open. I said don't eat it. Close open. Close open. Close open. Close.
Nauuntog, nagbabasket ulit yung ulo.
Bug.
Ay, napagod.
Are you tired?
Pagod na siya.
Are you tired? Bulaga.
Ayaw na niya na.
Ay, grabe, pagod din. Bumakaka pa. Sapa? Kapagod ka na. Kailangan ginagano na siya para ano.
Hi.
Ano ba?
Josh. Lovey. Hi, Lovey. No.
If I were a duck, I would say,
Told you not to eat it. Ay.
if I were a duck, I would say, ala na, nag-give up na yung
Hoy, don't eat.
huli.
What are you doing? Huli ka.
Nahanap siya ng
Huli ka. Huli. Pero di kulong.
No. Tarzan ka dyan.
Yay! Bye-bye. Alis na si
Bye-bye,
Mama.
Mama. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye. Alis na Mama. Bye.
Mama's going
Where you
somewhere.
going? Where you going? Hala, ayun na. Tumakas na naman ang anak ko.
Siya natawaan eh.
Ayaw niyo daw